Sidewalks are streets too. There's no discrimination on this channel. All right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the club. You know what? Caleb hasn't jumped in a bush in a long time. We got to get him to jump in a bush. Let me make that happen. Let's find a good quality bush for you to jump in. I mean, let's put some effort into this, right? Today's one of those days we just don't have any plans, man. It's been raining so much, so difficult for me to even make any plans that I figured let's just go freestyle today. Ride around and see what we get into. Yeah. Food-wise, what are we gonna do? Usually I wake up and I already know what I'm gonna eat for lunch before I even roll out of bed. Not today. I'm gonna kind of roll the dice. We'll see what happens. Who knows where we wind up. Look at that branch. Look at that branch all by its lonesome.
You wanna go have another pepper fight?
You want to go to Buffalo Wild Wings? I don't even think we're allowed in that place anymore. So happy to have this bike back. Thank you, Chaparral. Thanks for putting it all back together for me. Just running great. What am I feeling food-wise? You know, the other day I came across a cheeseburger that had donuts for buns. That might be kind of interesting. I don't think I've ever been down this road. I like it. I think my GoPro's all f***ed up. Whoa, that's what I hit. I think I hit a locust. God damn it, I hit another one. What are we gonna eat?
Oh, we're gonna go get some burgers or something. Come on.
You want a burger?
No, dude, come on. We got a long ways to go.
And a short time to get there?
Yeah.
You want to get a cheeseburger with donuts on it?
Where's that?
I don't know. We'll have to Google it. Well, it's a cheeseburger, but instead of buns, they're donuts.
Oh, okay.
Might even have some sprinkles on it and shit.
I'm allergic. Well, let's go.
You're allergic to sprinkles?
Yeah.
Interesting. Whoa. Be that kind of party, I'm gonna stick my dick in the mashed potatoes. I just saw a sign for Pelican Hill Resort. You know what that means? We gotta go in and get a pen. Can I make it? Uh-oh. Alright, we're looking for pelicans. Alright, rich people, here we are. Steal your pens. You can afford all the pens in the world. I just want a couple, or one. What's that?
How you doing?
Good. My mom's in there having lunch. I just got to get something from her.
Okay.
I'll be 30 seconds. Oh, I'm good, man. I'm a poor man. I could open it. Hi, ma'am. Could I have a couple pens, please? Specific, the green ones that say Pelican Hill on them. Oh, you're my savior. You don't understand what these pens mean to me. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Where's my tip? Dude, look at these.
You got 4, dude.
Do you want one?
No.
Come on, man. My gift to you.
Alright, thanks. Surprised seeing you here.
What the hell?
What's up?
You gotta be kidding me. You look great.
Wow.
You getting married?
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. I should have offered him a pen. So the club's out of fuel. I don't know what to do. Can't believe we see Klaus. How bizarre. Man, he looked good, man. I wish the best for Klaus. I really do. So apparently Caleb's out of fuel. He's probably going to run out any minute. So I'm going to follow him. Oh, found a gas station.
You always do that to me.
No, I don't.
Deserve it.
I do not.
Jeez.
Alright, it's called Boss Cat Kitchen. I don't know shit about it, except that they have donut cheeseburgers. Good enough for me.
Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.
What are you doing, Scotty?
Scotty boy.
Kylie Jenner officially becomes the youngest self-made billionaire. You gotta be shitting me.
Yeah, at least you didn't start by the porn video.
Out of all the Kardashians, I think her and Kourtney are the hottest. What do you think?
I think Chloe's the ugliest.
Out of my way, Prius. So GPS hasn't really been telling me where to go. I kind of know where this place is based on the map I just looked at. So let's see if we can find it. What is it called? Boss Cat Cafe? Boss Cat Kitchen? That's it. The only thing I really remember about this place is it's near the airport. You know why GPS wasn't working for me? Because I had the volume on mute.
How far are we?
2 minutes.
That's 20 the way you drive.
You need some help, sir? How'd I do? Thanks, sir. All right. Sidewalks are streets too. There's no discrimination on this channel. This is going to be a fancy place, isn't it?
Yeah, we gotta go.
What do you think it's going to cost?
If it's more than 10, we just leave.
More than 10, we leave.
Dude, we can't go here.
We got to go here. No, those people look poor.
Not that guy, he's a hipster. Look at his shoes.
Oh shit, I didn't see that guy. Alright, so we went to Boss Cat. We tried to get this cheeseburger. Couldn't get it. Apparently it's a brunch thing, which is what, a Saturday, Sunday thing?
Right.
I don't know. They couldn't make it. So we're going to make our own. Let's go to McDonald's and let's go to Dunkin' Donuts. We're going to make a cheeseburger donut.
All right.
I've been using a lot lately, and I feel like I was late to the party on it. Waze, man, that's a great app. Tells you where all the cops are, all the accidents, traffic. It's great. Slug bug pow. Okay, you order.
This is why you don't do this, because that's what happens. Just get a bunch of salt packets.
Oh my god.
Salt packets. Salty peas. Right, let's see here if we got the correct amount of salt packets. In boot camp, we used to have to eat salt packets.
Now we're on our way to Dunkin' Donuts, which happens to be right across the street. Oh, we can get ice cream too. Cut her up. What do you think? Is this gonna be good?
We could put the pickles on there too and everything.
Fuck, I'm not putting pickles on there. I hate pickles.
Well, whose is this?
Yours.
Oh, it's upside down, dude. Whatever. No, it's not.
McDonald's bacon looks funny.
It's not actually bacon. It's southern tofu.
Take a bite.
Really? All right.
Is it good? Is it really good?
It's a little weird.
Hey, Klaus, what'd you think, man? Donut burgers.
Thought it was good. Any chance I get to make a big scene in a restaurant, it's a good day for me.
Oh, seriously, though. You liked it?
Yeah.
I hated it.
I don't know what's wrong.
I will never do that again. In fact, I don't even like donuts, to be honest. But I'm going McDonald's, man. I'm going to leave McDonald's alone. It's perfect.
You must be European or something.
I am not European. I am McDonald's. I'm glad this day turned out the way it was, man. It was so random, but we did like a lot of fun, weird shit. I was into that.
Yeah. I can't believe we ran into the club.
I know.
Back on the channel, man. It means a lot.
Other than that, man, let's call it a day. Let's go. Let's get out of here. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Huge shout out to all patrons of the channel. You know I love each and every one of you. Appreciate the support. It means so much to me. Let's not forget the channel sponsors, keeping the channel alive. Let's go with LUIMOTO first. Look at this seat, man. I do like it. I do. I've been riding around with it now for a little while. It's a great seat. Thank you, LUIMOTO. Also, Chaparral Motorsports, keeping these bikes running. Appreciate them for sure. The law offices of Henry Haddad, keeping me out of jail. If you guys need a lawyer, man, that's your dude, I'm telling you. Voss Helmets, keeping me safe on the road, man. With that, I'll catch you later.
Would you leave this out here if you were me?
It's not here when you get back. What are you going to do?
Tell Voss to
Next minute you a helmet? Boss, I need that next minute delivery ASAP.
You're going to have to go all the way to my house to get me a helmet.
You know what I would do? We'd just sit around. I'd wait for a motorcyclist to go by. I'd chase him down, kick his ass, take his helmet, give it to you, and we'd leave.